Productivity and motivation are two essential components of success. Here are some strategies to help you boost both. 1. Set clear goals. SMART goals. Ensure your goals are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Break it down. Divide large goals into smaller, more manageable tasks. 2. Prioritize tasks. Eisenhower Matrix. Categorize tasks based on urgency and importance. ABCDE method. Rank tasks based on their significance. 3. Create a productive workspace. Organize, keep your workspace clean and clutter-free. Comfort. Ensure you have a comfortable chair and adequate lighting. Time management techniques. First, let's talk about the Pomodoro Technique. This involves working in focused 25-minute intervals, followed by short breaks. Then there's time blocking. Allocate specific time blocks for different tasks to stay organized and efficient. Minimize distractions. Consider a digital detox. Limit screen time and notifications during focused work periods. And using noise-cancelling headphones can help block out distractions, keeping you in the zone. Take breaks. It's important to step away from your work every hour or so for short breaks. Also, practicing mindfulness or meditation can be beneficial. These relaxation techniques help reduce stress and keep you refreshed. So let's talk about staying healthy. First up, exercise. Regular physical activity, it can really boost your energy and mood. Next, nutrition. Eating a balanced diet is essential to fuel both your body and brain. And finally, sleep. It's crucial to ensure you get enough quality sleep. Reward yourself. Positive reinforcement is key. Celebrate your accomplishments no matter how small. Treat yourself with something you enjoy after completing a goal. Find your motivation. Intrinsic motivation can be powerful. Connect your work to your values and passions. Extrinsic motivation is also effective. Use external rewards or incentives to stay motivated. Learn to say no. Prioritize by focusing on the most important tasks and avoid overcommitting. If possible, delegate tasks to others. By implementing these strategies, you can enhance your productivity and motivation, ultimately achieving your goals more effectively.